In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a video from Google Drive. This simple process will take only a few minutes, ensuring that you have your desired video file securely saved on your device for offline access. Whether you're using it for personal viewing or an important project, let's make sure the transfer is as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, you need to access Google Drive through your web browser. Open your favorite browser and navigate to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you will be prompted to do so. Simply enter your email and password, making sure you have access to the Google account that holds the video you wish to download. It's important to have an active internet connection during this process, as we'll be moving data from the cloud to your local device. Once you're in your Google Drive, the next step is to locate the video you want to download. Depending on how your drive is organized, you might have to search through folders or use the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in the name of the video file and it should pop up in the results. If your drive is well organized or the video has a unique name, it should be quite easy to find. Now that you've found the video, hover over it and right click to bring up a context menu. This is a crucial maneuver, as different devices might have variations in right click functionality. If you're using a Mac with a trackpad, you might need to hold down the control key while clicking. Once the menu appears, you'll see a list of options. This set of options allows you to perform different actions with your Google Drive files. From the menu, look for the option that says download. Clicking this option initiates the process of moving the video file from your Google Drive to your computer. Depending on the size of the video file and the speed of your internet connection, this download might be quick or take a bit more time. It's a good idea to ensure your internet connection is stable to prevent any interruptions. As the download begins, check your browser's downloads bar or your default download folder on your computer. You'll see a progress indicator that shows how much of the video has downloaded, giving you an estimate of remaining time. Once the download is complete, the video file will be accessible from your downloads folder, ready for you to view or use as needed. By following these steps, you should now have successfully downloaded a video from Google Drive to your computer. Whether you're downloading for offline viewing, sharing with others, or incorporating into a project, having the video at your fingertips is just that easy. Thanks for joining me today and happy downloading.